So, remainder theorem. So, when you say remainder theorem, if a polynomial p of x is divided by a binomial of x minus r, then the value of p of r is the remainder. So, you are going to find for the value of p of r. So, how will you find it? So, pwede nating makuha ang kanyang remainder by substitution, or pwede rin naman by synthetic. Kung ang hinahanap lang naman natin ay remainder. Synthetic, mas madali. Kung ano yung dulo, yun na yung remainder. Tama ba? So, pero, syempre, turo ko muna kung paano rin by substitution. Ito yung pinaka-remainder theorem natin. Let us have an example. Our example here is find the remainder of the following. X cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 3. Then, divided by x plus 2. So, we are going to formulate it by p of x. P of x is equals to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 3. Okay? So, yung x papalitan natin nung pinaka-divisor natin. Itong x plus 2, solve mo yung x niyan. X plus 2 equals to 0. So, x is equals to negative 2. So, yan yung ipapalit mo dun sa x. Naintindihan? So, it becomes p of negative 2. So, yung mga lahat ng x niya, all x's, change it into negative 2. So, x here is becomes negative 2 cubed minus 4 times negative 2 squared plus si 2 ulit ay magiging negative 2 then plus 3. Then, solve. Negative 2 cubed. Tatlong negative 2 imo-multiply mo, the answer is negative 8. Negative yun. Kasi, ito ay odd numbers eh. Next tayo, minus 4 times negative 2 squared, magiging na siyang positive 4. Then, minus 2 plus 3. Tapos, copy. So, we have here negative 8. Then, 4 times 4, the answer is negative 16. Negative. Then, minus 2 plus 3. So, we have here negative 8 minus 16. Then, plus 2, minus 2 plus 3. The answer here is negative 23. Negative 23. So, this is p of negative 2. Therefore, this is your remainder. Ito yung remainder mo. Okay, that's the remainder. Next tayo, r is equals to negative 23. So, paano naman ma'am kapag synthetic? Pag gusto mo synthetic, ganito. Okay, find the numerical. We have here 1 by synthetic. Since ano lang naman, remainder lang naman yung hinahanap natin. So, we have here 1. So, we have negative 4. We have positive 1. And then, we have positive 3. So, dito, ang gagamitin ulit natin ay negative 2. Next, bring down 1. 1 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2. Add. The answer here is negative 6. Multiply. The answer here is positive 12. 12 plus 1, the answer is 13. 13 times negative 2, the answer is negative 26. Subtract mo to kasi different in sign. The answer is negative 23. So, this is the remainder. Okay? Para siya, negative 23 and negative 23. Okay? Let us have another example. So, we have x raised to 4 plus 5x squared minus x plus 12 divided by x plus 1. Let us find again the remainder. Let us have the remainder theorem. So, since remainder theorem, substitution yung gagamitin natin. So, p of ano ang ating gagamitin? P of, wait lang. So, we have here p of, gagamitin natin, change the sign lang yan, negative 1. Okay? So, we have here x raised to 4 plus 5x squared minus x plus 12. Change all x's into negative 1. So, we have here negative 1 raised to 4 plus 5 times negative 1 raised to 2 minus negative 1, then plus 12. Yan. Then, simplify. Since negative 1 to, raised to 4 mo, hindi po yan 4 ha. Negative 1, meaning yan, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. The answer here is positive 1. Okay? So, 1 din yan. Then, plus, copy 5. So, negative 1 raised to 2, the answer is positive 1 ulit. Bakit positive? Kasi even yan. Okay? Negative times negative 1, the answer is positive 1. Then, plus 12. Then, simplify. So, we have here 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 12. Okay. So, what is the answer? Negative 1 plus 1. Right. So, the answer is 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 12, the answer is 19. Okay. So, this is your P of negative 1 or the remainder. Okay? So, let us have synthetic. So, dito sa synthetic, nawawalan ka ng 0x squared ko. Kaya, magdadagdag tayo ng 0x cubed pala. Sorry. So, let us have the numerical. We have 1. 1. Then, we have 0. Next, we have 5. Next, we have negative 1. Next, we have positive 12. Then, ang gagamitin nating divisor, we have negative 1. Then, bring down 1 times negative 1. We have here negative 1. Then, add. We have negative 1 times negative 1. We have 1. 5 plus 1, we have 6 times negative 1. We have negative 6. So, this one is negative 7. Negative 7 plus times negative 1, we have 7. 12 plus 7, the answer is 19. Diba? They are just the same. So, your remainder is equal to 19. Is it clear? So, that is remainder theorem.